It's not be film man or anything. This one all feel original. All toruto. Oh, don't budget. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Banigo and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based right here in Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria, yes. I create content around family, lifestyle, food blogs, and you know, your girl just added mukbang to eat. I want to eat and embarrass my generation on screen. Anyway, so guys, yeah, I'll be doing a story time. This is my first mukbang video. Guys, it has been a struggle setting up. When I see people doing mukbang, like, I don't know the struggle they go through. And most times my husband helps me in setting up, but this night, or as at when this film is going on, yeah, whatever, he's not here. He's busy doing whatever he wants to do. So yeah, basically, you know, before we jump right into this mukbang, I have to hail all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch at every time, your minute, your second. I appreciate. And the new subscribers that will be coming across, you know, thank you guys so much. If you can't see the meal properly, I'm sorry, but yeah, this is what I'm having. I'm having eba, white gari. Yeah, it's a meal in Nigeria, and I'm having omiobe. That's like stew and okra. I have my bowl to wash my hands. Yes, you guys should come join me, and you know, let's eat and talk. I'm washing my hand. Before my village people will say, you know, wash your hand on top television. I don't wash my hand. I'm excited filming this. Like, I'm super excited. I like to drink water sometimes before I eat. And this whole setup was actually taking my energy, but I'm not gonna dabble onto all that right now. So guys, I'm sure you guys have seen the title, and some of you are filming already and saying, now wow. You guys should calm down. Just calm down, relax, and listen. So before you eat omiobe, you need to mix the okra, you know. I'm sure you can see the slime. I like it slimy. You need to mix it with the stew. That's how you get the full taste. The first one is for you guys. This is delicious. Guys, are you sure this eating and talking will work? It's delicious. I put the water by my side because it's a bit peppery. So basically, guys, before I got married, some years back, I met this cute hunk. Tall, you know, everything you want. Tall, not so slim, you know, there's a little bit of meat here and there on the body. And you know, I can't remember where we met precisely, but this hunk, you know, I don't know, I can't remember, but he asked me out, but I did not, you know, like accept and everything. I told him let's just be friends because I like to keep people as friends a lot. I get to know them a little bit better. So yeah, we were friends, and you know, we started getting to know each other. I was very truthful, telling him I was on school, I'm an hairstylist, makeup artist, and all that good stuff. And this guy, you know, told me he was an Igbo man, or he is an Igbo man because he's still alive. That he's an Igbo man, and that he's not married, but he has a child from a woman. I'm like, oh, okay. So why aren't you guys married? He said, well, long story, blah, 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 but the woman comes every now and then, brings the kids to see him and all that. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's just be friends then. This guy kept coming, telling me that, Princess, give me a chance now. I like you. I'm sharing this story. Maybe, you know, some of us can learn from it. So we're friends, and He kept telling me he wants to marry me and that if I'm ready, he will marry me. But he want me to get pregnant first, you know, to be sure the balloons is working, the stomach and the everything is working properly. I was like, no, nigga. That I must get married before I have any child for any man. I'm not going to have a baby out of wedlock. So this man kept, you know, being on my case, and we remained friends. Finally, he traveled to Dubai. I guess when he traveled, he called me that, oh, Princess, I don't date Dubai. I said, ah, thank God for you, my brother. Prince thought if he come. This was a man that said he's not married. He still came with the whole story of born for me. I go take care of you. Oh, and this guy is loaded. Guys, like, he drives the latest car, staying in one of the best places in Lagos. Born for me, I go give you everything you want. I said no. And now told me, okay, if you don't go born for me, the woman that gave birth to the first child for me, I'll go give her belly. She go born under picking. I said, okay, go give her belly now. Everything I will. But we're still friends. If I want someone to trip me out, I'll call him. Come and carry me out too. I'll go and drink and eat fish and come back to my house. Small time. He can tell me, say, the woman don't get belly. I say, thank God. Small time. Because the woman don't born, no. I say, thank God. He came back from Dubai. We kept saying and gisting. He didn't buy one thing from Dubai for me, but he called me from Dubai just to show off that he went to Dubai. Finally, this man that said he's not married now had 2 kids. Showed me their pictures. I was like, oh, that's nice. Now, wow, but this woman try you. This woman wey never marry, we just born for you. He said, yeah, they have an understanding. Since me, I do shakara now, they have an understanding. I said, that's good. She try, me, I no go fit. Suddenly, one day, I was in my house preparing to go to the tailor's place. My phone rang. It was a woman's voice. And she was being so nice. I think she called like it was a wrong number. I tried to speak to someone. I was like, oh, this is the wrong number. You have the wrong person. She was like, oh, okay then. She hung up. Then she called back and was like, yeah, can we just be friends and all that, you know, since I've already spoken to you? And I was like, oh, sure, why not? You know, I was young, naive. Oh, yeah, I could say that. So we're friends, and she kept calling me. I'll be gisting on my day-to-day activities. Oh, I'm going out right now. I'm going to school. I'm going to the tailor. Guys, I was gisting this woman. Every, you know, detail. She'll be asking me, what kind of man do I like? And how do I like my man? Do I have a boyfriend? I told her no, I didn't have a boyfriend, which really I didn't have a boyfriend because that guy in question, I didn't consider him a boyfriend. As a matter of fact, this woman was calling me before she had the second child for this guy. I don't know if it's another pregnancy. I don't even know their story, but she was calling me, and she called me one day and she told me that I should come to so location, that that she just going to labor, that I should come, that she needs this, she needs that, and I know the location so well. But something in me will not just allow me go. I told her, I'm so sorry, I can't come. I don't know why I just didn't feel like going. I'm thinking about it right now. I really don't know why I didn't feel like going, because she was so nice and all. Anyways, guys, I didn't go. She then called me another day again that I should please come. this, that. She's at so place, wanting to do 20 people. I should try and come. You know, she please try and come. I told her that I can't come. I'm sorry, I can't come home. I'm sorry, I can't come. Okay, no problem. And she hung up. So like on my own, I was not wondering. This one that I don't know from anywhere. Why would she want me to come to her house? I don't know from anywhere. The only thing I know is we talk over the phone every now and then. She asked me, I even told this woman my school, guys. Where my school was. I told her. If you're eating this kind of food, you cannot be posh, I'm sorry. If you're Yoruba, you understand. It's peppery, it's slimy and all, but it's young. I made it, I didn't buy it. But Yoruba food is sweet, sha. Leave her. I don't know why people they call the food of man. It's not to be of man or anything. This one all feel original. All toruto. So I went out to meet the guy and we got talking. We just gisted a bit, laughed and about other stuff. Oh, and he said, "You be Momo." I looked at him, I was like, "What do you mean? Momo how? What did I do?" And I said, "You don't know person. You just give them all your information. You tell her where you stay, your school. This one." I said, "Which person you talk about?" He said, "You don't know one. So name. Where they call you since?" And then I started laughing. I said, who be the person? He said, "I the woman we born for her." I said, "The woman we born for you. How she gonna get my number?" He said, "Billy, I say, after where she come from, when you come from Dubai." She see the number for my phone. She contact and they call me. And I told him, "Una too, una no well. So she not be your wife." My baby mama, you come from Dubai, she dey your house, you can't carry your phone. They call me, they monitor me. Because obviously that man was lying. He later admitted to me that she's actually his wife. Because I saw through him. You know? He's a good guy. I won't label him bad. He just the first thing go job. It's a scum for denying his wife as he paid dowry on. It's a scum. So, women out there, in case you see your husband, I mean, you get calling your husband or doing one thing sometimes. Sometimes it's your husband that has gone to lie. He has gone to lie that he's not married, he does not have a wife. Sometimes. I'm not saying all the time. So the guy was just telling me everything the lady told him, which was, it was actually corresponding. Everything corresponded, like everything was corresponding. And I was like, thank God. Thank God I was wise enough not to go those times she was calling me, because what would she have done to me? What did she do me? She forbid me. I didn't stop being friends with the guy, though. I just knew I placed him. Because for him to lie to me, because of what? Bum. No make sense. You own it. You are married. Own it. If the girl won't follow you, she will follow you. I go deny your wife. Not deny your children, but deny your wife because of wine, maca wine. Organic, is it worth it? Anyways, guys, thank you so much if you watched to this point. That is the end of my, story time. And share your thoughts with me. Was it worth it for this guy, denying his wife? And the woman that called me, does it make sense for her to see my number and just call me? Doesn't make any sense. I want to go and finish my head of fish off camera because I don't need to show you guys how I'm devouring the bone. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.